One of the foods I wanted to introduce to my triplets was beef because beef is rich in protein and also iron. But the thing is, whenever I give them some beef, they throw it away. They find it difficult to chew on it. And I was thinking, what can I do to incorporate beef in their meal? And then minced meat. That way it works first. They get to eat the beef without throwing it away and they enjoy it anyway. So today I'm going to make some simple minced beef stew. Welcome to my kitchen.
One of the biggest challenges for me was transitioning my babies to solid food. Minced meat was one of the foods that made that transition easier for me, and it quickly became one of their favorites. It's also a simple way for me to make sure they're getting plenty of nutritional goodness from their meals. Chop chop, onions, chop chop, tomatoes, chop chop. I like to chop the tomatoes in large chunks because I'm going to blend them anyway. I think three cloves of garlic would be okay. Now I'm crushing the tomatoes. I like to get most of the water out. Anyway, otherwise it's going to take longer to cook. Washing the rice now, rinsing and draining it gently. Rice set aside. Right now in the pot cooking, clearing up the tabletop. Now I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. I'll say like 2 spoons, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Well, it depends on how much you're making anyway. But for the quantity of tomatoes I'm using, I'm just going to use like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's the garlic, that's the onions in, and some rock salt. I like to use natural rock salt. This rock salt I got from Ghana, straight from the sea. Now the beef, that's the minced meat, straight into the pot, stirring it nicely, making sure everything is in, tasting it, cooking right now. Thyme, rosemary, and that's my bay leaf. Stir nicely. A little bit of garlic, and then some onions again. I like to add this bit by bit because I like to get all the flavors out. Cover it for a bit and let it cook. Now add the tomatoes and a bit more tomatoes. Stir accordingly. Rice still cooking in the corner. Look at the color, it's looking lovely already, isn't it? I like to always regulate the heat. Look at that. It's sizzling, it's cooking, it looks lovely, and it's gonna taste so delicious. My babies are gonna love it. I also love adding a little star anise when I'm cooking some meat. I really enjoy the warm, slightly sweet flavor it brings to stews. So that's the powder star anise added there. Now I'm adding some roasted blend bell pepper that I made. It has a sweet taste to it. So it's going to kick into the tomatoes and bring out some beautiful flavor to it. So I'm going to let it cook for a bit. More onions now. So I like to add my onions stage by stage so I can keep the sweetness of the onions. And also that's some garlic. You got to keep stirring it. Make sure that you're scraping right at the bottom. Here's my basil. I love basil. It's such a beautiful herb. I absolutely love its distinctive aroma. I always like to keep a living basil plant in my kitchen, not only because of the fragrance, but also because I love the flavor it brings to my stews. So I'm just gonna pluck a few fresh leaves, a little bit more, and then give them a good wash under running water. Yes, just like that. Basil is usually the last thing I add to my stews. When I add basil to the stew, you know it's ready. And I think I'm gonna add a bit more because I'm not quite getting the flavor I want. So a bit more right there. But I don't think I'm gonna stir it. I'm just gonna leave it there. The pot is no longer on fire. It's just set aside right now, cooling down.
Are you looking to build your dream home in Ghana? Or are you building already? Would you benefit from regular site visits to monitor your building and receive regular progress reports? Well, if that's the case, and that's you, look no further. Asher and Gad Consultancy at your service. We offer the following services: electrical design, construction monitoring inspections, site progress reports, consultation for all items MEP, witnessing of testing and commissioning, periodic snagging, vetting of specialist subcontractors. We also report site activities to you to hopefully help you spend your money efficiently and much, much more. Get in contact for your building needs. Details on the screen. Asher and Gad Consultancy, making Africa home again, one family at a time.
That's our rice. Still cooking. So I washed it, I parboiled it and washed it out. So now I'm adding some salt to it. Rice is done. Oh, I don't think so. Just about done, just a little bit. I need it to be a bit softer for the babies. So I'm going to add a little bit of water and some butter. This is brain food for the babies and for adults too. I always like to add butter in their rice and most of their foods as well. Butter in pots, stew ready, rice ready. Ta-da! That's the minced beef stew done with rice to serve. Thank you for watching. You see more of my recipes. Keep watching. See you soon.